Sunday, Daytona?
Oh, I'm sorry. I meant Formula One.
Oh, I'm sorry. Then same as you.
Brad Pitt and Damson Idris play race car drivers out to win it all in F1 the movie.
It's such an elite sport. Only 20 people get to drive these cars every week. And I wanted to give, a global audience the opportunity to feel like what it's like in one of these amazing machines.
And to do that, director Joseph Kosinski had to come up with a whole new way to film the racing scenes.
The cameras we needed to shoot this film didn't exist, so we had to invent them, essentially.
Small, light cameras were mounted in more than a dozen places on the cars to capture the action. And to make sure things really felt authentic, Pitt and Idris actually did some of the driving themselves on some of the world's most famous tracks.
Me and Mr. Pitt, we drove probably up to around, I want to say about 180 miles per hour in this movie, and we did the majority of our stunts. And we went from race to race, over the course of about 20 months.
Also helping to keep it real, Formula One racing star Lewis Hamilton, who is a co-producer and consultant on the film.
I remember we'd all sit in a trailer and we'd go through the script beat by beat, race by race, and he'd be like, that would happen, that wouldn't happen. So he's essentially just calling BS on everything.
The hope is that it will all make audiences feel like they're the ones behind the wheel.
Hopefully it will just be an experience of like what it would be like to drive those cars that fast. So everyone can kind of somewhat feel that feeling of like the noise and the sound is going to be incredible and the camera angles.
On this property south of St. Bonifacius, the damage here is pretty hard to miss. Take a look at this tree here, one of many that have fallen down all around this area, but this one is now completely blocking this road and the driveway that's needed in order to get to the other side and into that house. Cleaning this up will take some time and teamwork. The neighbors in Carver County's Laketown Township near Waconia and St. Bonifacius are looking at many downed trees, some damaged fencing, and various things like lawn chairs and fire pits thrown around by the overnight storms.
It just started out as like a low rumble, and then it just got increasingly louder and louder and louder. We all know what it sounds like with a wind coming up against your windows and how you feel that, but usually it comes and goes like with gusts, and this was just sustained. And sustained, it got a little bit stronger and stronger and stronger. So I figured that was time to head down.
Steve Stoles says he and his wife were sheltering in their basement for about 20 minutes. He's thankful no one was hurt.
There's trees down everywhere. And, thank goodness, like nothing hit the house and nothing hit the barn. It came close, but nobody was hurt. All the pets are all okay. So it's really just like let the cleanup begin.